What we took for review today is the Rode Wireless Micro Camera Kit. And what I find interesting is that it doesn't just work with smartphones like the OG Wireless Micro, it now also works with cameras. The name kind of gives it away already, to be honest. So let's check this thing out. I'm your host Earl, roll that intro. First things first, what do you get right from the box? The main item here is the compact case, housing the camera receiver and two transmitters. There's also the smartphone receiver, but it's not included in the case, which makes sense. It doesn't really need a battery to run because it directly draws power from the smartphone. Aside from that, we also have the TRS cable, a short USB-C to C cable, and a pair of wind jammers. Its compact size is definitely the main highlight. The case itself is only about twice the size of an AirPods case. The camera receiver itself is small, sleeker than any mic I've personally come across so far. They managed to squeeze in a 1.1-inch AMOLED display, and you can actually adjust settings on the fly using 3 buttons here. These let you tweak output gain, pick a noise cancellation level, or choose an output mode. It also features 2 contact points on the back for the charging case, a hot shoe mount at the base, and a power button on top, though it powers up automatically anyway the moment you take it out of the case. On one side, we've got a 3.5mm TRS socket alongside a USB-C port. Then there's the 2 transmitters, both still pretty small and discreet. Bretman racks.
Yung transmitter.
Ginawang katotohanan. There's also no blinking light on the front. It's placed on the side instead, which I appreciate since it keeps things from looking distracting. The magnets are strong too, so they don't come off easily, even with a bit of heavy movement. Alongside the transmitter mics, you also get wind jammers, which slips over the entire unit and fit very snugly. My only real gripe is that Rode could have included some kind of bag for storing the loose components, like the TRS cable, USB-C receiver, and dead cats. But that's just me nitpicking at this point. Out of the box, this mic system is so easy to use. I really like that I didn't have to configure anything manually. Just take the receiver and transmitters out of the case and they pair up on their own. It's basically plug and play if you think about it. But of course, it still needs an app to work properly. So install the Rode Central app on the Android phone we use, updated with both the receiver and transmitter through it, and from there, it was good to go. Rode says it has a 100-meter connection range, but that's honestly too far to shoot, so no. Another nice touch is that it automatically sets levels through intelligent gain assist, so as soon as you can start talking, the audio levels adjust on their own. As for the interface, there's a split option for stereo audio, which is handy if you need to do any post-processing later, and merge for mono across both transmitter channels. These output modes even show up conveniently on the display with S for split and M for merge. You get the idea. There's also direct connection with an iPhone, but there's a catch. You would need to use a separate app, the Rode Capture app, to get it working. I'm also not a fan that it's limited to iPhones only. Even then, you can't use it with third-party apps and not even native camera app on iOS. I also noticed the audio recording isn't quite as loud when using it this way, compared to going through either receiver, but we'll get into recording quality in just a bit. Recording indoors is probably the most ideal scenario for this. The noise cancellation feature helps eliminate a good chunk of the usual background noise, although I've always kept it set to low. Setting it to high actually makes recording sound a bit muffled. Recording outdoors with wind noise does creep in a little even when the wind muffs attach, but overall recording quality still sound nice. There's no teeny feedback on my voice or anything weird like that. There's also intelligent gain assist, which automatically adjusts input levels in real time, so audio stays balanced even when you're moving around. I genuinely like that it handles this on its own. When it comes to battery life, it's actually pretty solid, with Rode quoting up to 21 hours. That's roughly 2 full recharges with the case. If it wasn't obvious already, we used this mic for the making of this very video. Ito yan obvious na, di ba? We even went out for an outdoor shoot, and by the time we got back to the office, the camera receiver and transmitter still had plenty of charge left. All in all, that ease of use is really what makes the Rode Wireless Micro Camera Kit stand. stands out. The Rode Wireless Micro Camera Kit is really built for content creators who want high-quality wireless audio without needing to be an audio expert to use it. What I genuinely appreciate is how quickly you can mount the whole system onto a camera or a smartphone and just start rolling. There's barely any learning curve here. If you need to go professional sounding audio real quick, this kit is easily one of the better options out there right now. And if you'd rather skip the whole thing, complicated for audio configuration and just focusing on creating, this is an especially solid pick. We don't have pricing info just yet, but once we do, we'll drop it in the description or the comments below. So, what do you think of the Rode Wireless Micro Camera Kit? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this video informative and helpful, please give this a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our socials for more tech news and reviews. Again, this is Earl and the Rode Wireless Micro Camera Kit, and we'll see you guys in the next videos.